Okay, good day to you. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hello, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Eileen A. Ordinaria, 32 years old, married, have one child, boy, 5 years old. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Technical Teacher Education in USM Mindanao.
Okay, yes. Do you have any work experience in abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I have 2 years experience in Saudi Arabia.
Okay, so what is your duties in your employer house?
I am taking care of newborn baby, and then
So, okay, how many members in that family?
they have 5 members of the family, ma'am.
Okay, how many kids do you have?
They have 3 kids, 2 girls and 1 boy.
Okay, how old the girls?
The girls ages 7 years old and 4 years old.
Okay, so how many helpers do you have?
I am the one only, ma'am.
Oh, okay. So, the same time you're doing all around housemaid, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you do cooking?
Yes, ma'am. I do cooking also.
Okay. Yes, so do you have any other country experience?
I also have experience in Qatar, ma'am, 2 years.
Okay. So, how many members in that family?
With 3 members of the family, newborn baby.
Okay, so when you arrive, just the baby is just arrived also, or how months? How old?
The baby is arrived already, ma'am.
Oh, okay. So how old?
Newborn.
Newborn.
Not maybe 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Okay.
Yes,
so you'll be the one to look after that newborn.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how many helper?
I am the one only.
Okay. So the same time you're doing all around housemaid also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How long years you been there?
2 years, ma'am.
2 years in Qatar, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the same time you do cooking, laundry, cleaning, and ironing?
Yes, ma'am. All the
Oh.
household chores. I do.
Okay. So, of course, are you capable to look after a newborn baby since you have the experience?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then can you tell me how the way you taking care of newborn?
First, I am the one who make him milk, and then make him bath, change diaper. When the baby start to eat, I am the one who make the food, like puree. I make puree for the babies, and then cleaning the bottles, washing their clothes, ironing their clothes, and make them sleep, while I am the one who taking care of them.
Yes, baby is very sensitive one. You have to really pay attention every now and then.
Yes,
And of course, you have extra care and you have to love. And of course, you have a lot of patience also.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, example, if the baby is crying and crying, so what will you do?
I will do. Sometimes I will do. Make them play, reading books. I will give them toys and play with them.
If that's still crying, so what will you do?
I will do lullabies, and then
Or maybe that the baby is not feeling well. Of course, there's
Yeah.
crying and crying. So maybe you say, you try to check.
what's the pain, and then
Of course, you have to check the body temperature.
Yes.
Maybe get fever, or maybe you have to check the tummy pain.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, if the baby is not feeling well or get fever, so what will you do?
I will call madam to inform that the baby is not feeling well.
And yes, of course, you have immediately informed to your boss, your
Yes,
employer, that the baby is not feeling well, and you have to wait the instruction also.
Yes, ma'am.
Or necessary, you rush to the hospital.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you sing a song nursery rhymes?
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long.
Thank you very much about that. Okay, yes. So, why you want to go to work in Hong Kong? Yes, why you want to go to work in Hong Kong?
Because I want to earn money.
Yeah, Hong Kong is very nice
Very
country.
country.
And of course, they offer a high salary also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then, if you luckily hired in Hong Kong, do you have any message to your future employer?
Yes, ma'am. I highly recommend myself because I am hardworking, trustworthy, and flexible. Don't work without any supervision.
And yes, of course, and you promise that you finish your 2 years contract or more.
Yes, ma'am.
And of course, in Hong Kong, they have holidays every week. So then, if your employer requests not Saturday, Sunday holidays, are you willing to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing that no holidays?
Yes, ma'am.
Of course, they give you a money back to give you a money back for overtime pay.
Yes,
At
ma'am.
least you can earn more.
Yes, ma'am.
And to promise that you cannot ask salary advance from
Yes,
your
ma'am.
employer. And to promise that you cannot involve any bank finance in Hong Kong.
Yes, ma'am.
And to promise that you cannot play your mobile phone while you're working hours.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, before we end this interview, can you show us your best smile? Thank you.
Thank you.